Hello there guys, my name's Carlo. Welcome to a quick upgrade video. This is installing RAM into the late 2013 Mac Mini. So we've got here one 1600 megahertz 8GB Crucial RAM, which is going to be obviously going in this Mac Mini. There is a lot of videos showing you guys how to remove the back plate, but what the hell, I'll just show you anyway. So what you need to do is you've got two notches up the top here, black for close, see-through for open, and all we're doing is we're just spinning it around if we can. It's a bit tight because it's never been opened. This is tight. Right, finally. Okay, and then the black plate should just fall off. So here we've got the RAM and the slots here. So what we're going to do is just take one of the sticks of RAM out and put this 8GB module into the system. So obviously, you know, I'm just pulling the pins apart to release the 2GB stick here, and then I'm going to place that to one side, and that will go back in to this box as a backup as well. So we're just going to delve into the Crucial RAM here. Try not to touch the RAM a lot. And I did discharge myself, obviously, before I put the took the other RAM out. Just touch any piece of metal inside the Mac Mini to take the static away. So basically, all we're doing is obviously like that. Don't know if you guys can see. Press the RAM in like so. Make sure it's seated correctly, and then push it down until you hear the click. Job done. So then all we're doing is we're putting back our back plates. So we're just going to align it with our holes and just close it up if we can. Right, so done. And that's it. Quick RAM upgrade video for the 2013 Mac Mini. Just going to put my other RAM here, which is quite a nice RAM actually. So I'm just going to put this back in the box. So keep that as a spare. And that's it. So what we do is we'll jump over to ScreenFlow in a minute. Just make sure the RAM is seated properly, and I'll get back to you in a couple of seconds. Hello there. Yeah. So as we can see, the 8GB has installed perfectly. There's 2GB there, obviously giving a grand total of 10GB of RAM. I did have 16GB of RAM in here, but one of my 8GB modules failed on me, which wasn't great. I started noticing extreme performance drops in the Mac Mini, and I was constantly getting a beach ball, constantly spinning all the time. So what I did was I opened the Mac Mini out, opened it up, and basically tested the system by taking out one stick of RAM, trying it out, you know, and trying the other 8GB, and one of the 8GB sticks, which was here, it was giving me a lot of problems. It wouldn't boot properly or nothing. So I sort of dwindled it down to that. Yeah, the problem of you know, with all these problems was the 8GB that was in this bay right here. So I've ordered another stick of Crucial RAM, which is exactly the same design. When I first ordered this one, they only had one in stock, which was a bit strange, but and this was from Amazon. So I've got another 8 gig on order, just to stick back in there when it arrives, so I'll get my 16 gigs of memory back. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe. Sorry about the angles of the actual video. I'll check back the video, but I didn't really want to do another one because obviously there's so many upgrade Mac Mini videos out there. It's unreal, so I just thought I'd do this quick one, show the outcome, and when I get the next 8 gig of RAM, we'll do a proper one then. So thanks for watching, guys. Cheers, and take care.